So y'all may have heard or already know, you know, what's going on in Jamaica. There's a hurricane headed towards us, and of course y'all gonna see this video after the fact. So there's a hurricane headed towards us like within less than 24 hours. Today's a Tuesday, and it should pass us starting tomorrow, what, evening, night? I need to double check back the forecast, but it's a category 5 right now, they say, and I don't know, it's you know, it's getting scary. I saw what it did to St. Vincent and Grenadines. Like, it flattened it. Like, there was so much damage in that country. It's truly sad. It is sad. So it's onto us right now, and we're just praying that this just weakens, or it just turn, or it just disappears, something. Like, we need a miracle, because man, this just came, I'm not gonna say it came out of the blues, but like this like sped up very fast. Like, just a couple of days ago, hurricane came about, and then bam, it's just like this category 5. So we're hoping and praying everything goes well. I'm at the supermarket right now. I necessarily don't need anything at the supermarket, but I think I just want some bread. Just because. So hopefully they have bread in there. I'm just gonna get some bread, and I need to go to the water store to get some water for my mom. I had actually gone to the supermarket prior over the weekend, so I don't need nothing, but I'm gonna just pick up a bread and probably get some tuna. But yeah, it is definitely scary. So we're hoping, I know, you know, everybody's like on the, you know, shaking up. It's a lot of traffic. I was just in traffic a while ago. So let's pray. But me I go heading, now bringing out, I just go get the bread. That's it. Get the bread and tuna. Hopefully they have the type of tuna that I want. All the business places, or most business places, non-essential places, will be closed by midday. Banks, all of them, something they are closed. I know probably the supermarket may close a little later, but everything is like shutting down at midday today. Like, so there's still a lot of hours left for things to change. So, you know, let's pray. All right, I will talk to you guys later. So it is 11:02 a.m. in the morning, and it's a Wednesday morning, and we are gonna be getting Hurricane Beryl today. I think the last report was around 1 o'clock. We should be like getting it. But I know on the outskirts of our island, it's already happening. Like, they have a lot of rain. I've seen videos already in St. Thomas, and I think they said like Westmoreland is also having rains. My rain right now, it's just on and off, basically. It's on and off. So yeah, this is my first time spending hurricane alone, actually. But my phones are all charged. Laptop is charging. I'm actually doing some tasks for work, because why not? I still have electricity, so you know, I'm just still doing some work. I'm crazy hungry, so I'm gonna what is this? I'm going to like have some eggs, regular breakfast, just have some eggs, and that's gonna be it until I'm hungry again. But yeah, we're gonna ride out this hurricane together, and yeah, we're gonna see. I was like hoping, we are all hoping and still praying that, I don't know, something happens, like this thing does, because it's still at category 4, which is like crazy. So I'm just hoping, like, bam, can it like just go down to a regular storm, just like decrease Wheaton? Like, can you just do that for us this once? Well, it wouldn't be once, because we have had like many warnings over the years. Oh, well, I was thinking to make some candles today. Ooh. Well, if I still have electricity, then I'm gonna make candles. Because right now I can't, because I'm still doing some stuff. But like, if I still have electricity later, why not make some candles? Because I'm running out. I only have 2 left, and those are already late. So by next week, or like within 2 weeks, and 2 candles are done. Because every night, sometimes during the day, I light a candle. Like something is wrong with me. Something is literally wrong with me. So my candles are running out, so I need to make some more. And I did buy some new scents, so I just can't wait to try those out. But yeah, I just wanted to just give you guys an update as what's happening here alone during the hurricane, first time, and let's hope we don't have a lot of damages. Just hope by tonight we will know, or by tonight, tomorrow. And I think it should finish past us by 8 p.m. tonight. That is so late. I wish it would have just started early, but I'm gonna, yeah, I guess by tomorrow morning we'll like know, and the government will assess the damages and all of that. So we'll just pray and hope that if our electricity goes out, that, you know, we're not days without electricity. No, I'm gonna actually do my egg breakfast now, and while watching a YouTube video, because I've missed a few days without watching YouTube. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna watch my friends here, Dion and Tony, and my internet friends. And yeah, so I'll give you guys an update. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna light myself a candle right now because I'm actually out of it. So here's one of my candles. I actually lit it. I did light it last week, and it's already half, so you can see how I use it. I'm just gonna trim the wick, because you know you're supposed to always trim it before you light it. And that normally, because you know after you blow out the candle, oops, sometimes it's, you know, leave the smoke and all of that. So once you trim it, like, it's better. If you continue just light it and you don't trim it, then after you blow it out, it will be like a lot of smoke. But I'm getting better at my candle making. So update, it is 2 p.m. right now. 14 is 2 o'clock, and the light is gone. Electricity has left the building. I ain't got no light, and the rain was on and off. It was just a little bit windy at first, but it's right now it is silent. It's just like a little bit drizzling outside, but no wind. It's scary because you were just falling not too long ago. You were very windy not too long ago. Now you are quiet on the outside. Like, yeah, it's definitely giving scary vibes. Since it's not windy, may I go Tiger Pass? Yes, I do have a balcony. Oh my god, this is the time that I wish I had a balcony. We could have quickly just open the balcony door and just go peep and come back in. But we're gonna go outside on the car porch, and we're gonna look. I'm gonna want to hear or see any comments below saying why me outside of hurricane blah blah blah. First of all, it's not even raining. Secondly, it's no wind. There's no wind outside, just a little bit normal wind. So I'm gonna peek on the balcony. I'm gonna peek on the car porch. Girl, you ain't got a balcony. And we are gonna go outside right now. So let's go. It just started fall again. You can hear the rain, and look at the trees. It's, you know, it's definitely not that windy. Oh wait, the wind is picking up. Oh my god, I'm gonna go in. But yeah, I know there are a few other areas of the island flooded out. I know Portland is getting rain, St. Thomas, Westmoreland, that side is getting crazy rains and floods. So yeah, but let's go inside because there's nothing really to see out here. It just started to rain again, and it's not that windy. So we are gonna Head inside now. Yeah. Right now, the only thing makes sense to me right now, since I ain't got no light, is to pour me, myself, and I some wine and watch some CSI on Netflix until my laptop dies. So that is the thing. And I only have the Netflix on my laptop. On my other phone, I can't use Netflix on it anymore. You know, the whole sharing something, so it say, hey, share code blah blah blah, and then I'm just gonna, I can only use the Netflix on my laptop. What am I saying? Anyways, we're gonna just get some wine because what is there to do? Oh shit. Banana wine, maybe finish the wine. I have 2 more. Just realized the other wine they finished when they pulled in a couple vlogs ago. But that was a good while. So I have 2 wines. I have Twin of Oaks. By the way, I am in love with red wine. Dry wine, that's me. The sweet wine and all of that is just not my style. I do drink it if it's there, but I will never buy that type of wine. Only dry wine for me, girl. So I have Frontiera and Oaks. Which one is the oldest? Is that 2022? That one here. Didn't say the year. How much percentage of alcohol? This is 13.5 and this is 12%. Alright, let's go with the 12%. Keep the 13.5 for, you know what? Switch that. It's a Hurricane. I'm going with the higher percentage, okay? I need a better wine opener. This hurt my hands, yo. I need a better one.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you love me, every night, you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. Feel I love you, plus I never make you mine.
It's getting very windy outside, y'all. Cheers. So, the internet that I put on right now, the data plan, yeah, this is what my Netflix look like. I guess it's not running off. I don't know why I forgot to like download some shows last night, or even this morning, because I had live up until what, 1 o'clock today, 12:01. Yeah, so I don't know. It's coming up slowly but surely. See, popping up one by one. I am truly sweating right now. I just want this to be over. Oh my god. It's spinning. Still nothing. At this point, I think the best bet would probably be YouTube. Just watch some YouTube videos in the interim because this Netflix is not working out, and I need to find some dinner. I need to actually figure out what I'm gonna have. I do have stew peas in the fridge. I had that from Sunday, so I can probably have that stew peas, or have like a Popeye's chicken, so I can have that with some rice or with bread. So yeah, but I'm not that hungry yet, so I'm probably gonna wait until 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's just 3:04 right now, so yeah, I can probably have something within the next hour or 2. That's the plan. And I wouldn't even be able to like make my candles again, because you know inside is getting a little bit dark because of clothes and stuff outside. So I don't think making a candle right now would make sense. Or probably I don't know. We're just writing this out. They said like at 8 p.m. it should like fully pass us or finish. So keeping my fingers crossed so we can possibly, if the rain and stuff finishes tonight, that we can at least have some sunshine tomorrow. I don't know, because I think I saw a video, I think in Grenada, because they passed them what, yesterday, Monday or Tuesday, and they still had rains this morning. So I'm just hoping or whether it doesn't work like that, like after tonight the rains are finished, you know, hopefully. So I have a screen on my windows at these bars, so you guys definitely won't be able to like see clearly, but you can see the raindrops. And yeah, it is definitely, the wind is picking up outside. Whoa. So updates, y'all, it is 3:48 and I've decided what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna have stew peas and the rice. I'm gonna have the last of my stew peas. Just have that for dinner. And the internet is going in and out, in and out. So I'm watching YouTube. That's the only thing, like I literally have to occupy my time. I spoke with my mom. They have light, so that's nice for them. Not sure how much longer they'll have light for, but they have light for now, so that's good for them. So giving you guys an update, light is back. Super happy about that. So I'm literally watching Netflix CSI right now. It's 7:37 and light has been back for around 40 minutes now. It just chipped a while ago, but it came back in, so hopefully it doesn't chip because I don't want my appliances to mash up. But super happy that I have, you know, electricity and not hearing any rain. The rain is just drizzling outside. It's not that crazy, so I am super glad. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for spending this day with me. I hope you guys are, you know, you must be seeing social media as well. Lots of places were flooded out and a lot of houses, you know, a few roofs blew off, but yeah, speak to you guys and give you an update tomorrow. So it's like literally been almost a week since the hurricane, and trust me, I got to give God thanks. I am so grateful because I only had I didn't have any light just for a couple of hours after it passed. I can't remember the timestamp when my light came back, but I had the light, then it went away, and then it came back for the entire time up until now. I know that there's so many persons that don't have electricity, like it's just a lot. Like a lot of people lost stuff, even based on the outskirts of Jamaica, like the south. I know St. Elizabeth, I do have family down there, and they said the parts of the house were flooded out because they're building and stuff, so parts of that was flooded out, don't have any electricity. And it's just a lot of people lost a lot, specifically in those southern parts of the island. So it's super sad. Like I'm sure you guys would have like seen the videos online and stuff, but yeah, it is sad. I'm gonna try to see like what I can do personally, if I can give like $1 here, or I don't know, give something, because I don't know, it really is sad like to see all of those videos, people flooded out, like people roof gone, like I don't know, it's sad. So I'm gonna see if I can either donate something. So I'm gonna see like what's out there, like charities and donations and stuff to do that. I know that I think I saw Jangas posted something about like proceeds gonna go to, you know, that thing. So I don't know, I'm gonna see what I can do. But like, trust me, pray for people who like are lost a lot. a lot. So I was truly sad, and I think I am grateful, us Jamaicans are grateful, because we could have had it like worse. Like I mentioned, like, you know, yesterday, like St. Vincent, and you know, yeah, this hurricane, and I heard it's headed to what, Texas or Mexico, one of them, something there. So yeah, it's like, yeah, and that hurricane is still strong. It's going about its business to the other countries. So, but we're super happy and grateful, and it's the early season. It's the early hurricane season right now, and this happens. So we're keeping our fingers crossed that we don't come up on anything, or if it's something like something's developing, it's just like a mild storm, like nothing crazy, like a cat 4 or 5, even a cat 3. We don't want no cats at all. Just give us like a small, if something possibly gonna happen, like something like a small tropical storm or something that's not gonna do like crazy damage like Beryl did. But yeah, all right, I appreciate you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in another vlog. And donate if you can to people who have lost stuff.